Hello guys, welcome to Lubes. Today I'm going to discuss about a very important topic, especially this is regarding your engine oil. I have been putting up with a question like that there are certain oils as soon as you use it for 2000 or 3000 kilometers it goes black or they are burnt out. And there are certain engine oils which they use for 5000 kilometers and they come out as good as new. So what is better? Of course, the one which is burnt out or you see it is black, it is better. Why? Because engine oil contains detergent. Detergent is basically to clean the internal part of your engine. And once the cleaning is done, where will all the sludge or goo or whatever it has been formed inside your engine? The engine oil basically makes it float inside of it and do not let it stick to the walls of the engine and comes out when you drain the engine. But on the other hand, the engine oil which is coming out as good as new basically does not have detergent or it has not yet performed the cleaning of engine. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.